Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our poem. The poem what we have seen, what we saw in the last video. We are going to continue it from the part we have left. Okay. So in the last video we have saw that how to read the poem. What is the way of reading the poem? In this video I'm going to explain the whole poem. Okay, so when you go out into the street, what is the poem name? First of all, traffic rules. So in the last video we have seen the traffic rules, and I have given you homework to write the traffic rules according to the colors. Red color indicates stop, yellow color indicates get ready, and green color indicates go. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to explain the poem. Traffic rules, unit number 7. When you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet. Okay, when you go out into the street means while walking into the street, on the road. So in your vehicle means either you can be in your vehicle means in a car or a bike or a rickshaw or a auto rickshaw or anything, or on your feet by walking, as you can see in the picture. Okay, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. So what we have to do, we have to look out for each traffic sign. Means what are the traffic signs here? Red, yellow and green. So while we have to look for each traffic signs, means if the traffic signal is turns red, so what we have to do, means while we are in a vehicle, so we have to look for traffic sign. That is, if the traffic sign turns red, so what we have to do, we have to stop our car or our specific vehicle and let the people go, cross the path, cross the street, and then we have to start our vehicle when the traffic light turns green. Okay, so and while we are on our feet, means while we are walking into the street, so again we have to look out for each traffic sign. Why? Because if the traffic signal is green, so vehicle can come anytime, so that time we don't have we will not cross the street or road. Okay, so what this will help us, what result will come out from it, if we look at each traffic sign, so it will make us safe, secure and fine. Okay, safely we can cross our path and cross our street and get into the place where we want to go. Okay, to cross the road when you go walking, use black and white zebra crossing. So while crossing the road, what we have to use? Black and white zebra crossing. Zebra crossings are specifically made for crossing the road by walking. Okay, so while crossing the road, each time what we have to do, we have to why if we are crossing or walking into the street by our feet, so what we have to do, we have to look out for each traffic sign, then look out for vehicles that will make us safe, secure and fine, and at the end we have to cross the path or cross the street by the zebra crossing, black and white zebra crossing, as you can see in the picture. So this was the traffic rules poem, and the poem also indicates the traffic rules for the vehicles. So what are the traffic rules for the vehicles? When the traffic signal turns red, if the signal changes into the color red, stop at once, don't go ahead. If we are in a vehicle, so what we have to do, we have to stop because signal is red. Then if the signal turns yellow, what we have to do, we have to be ready, get ready, be very careful when it turns yellow. Means yellow means you have to just get ready. Okay, for example, you have turned off your vehicle, then you can switch on and be ready. Okay, it can also anytime it can be turned into green, and it finally when it turns into green, it is safe to go. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe as you are precious. Okay, so this was the poem Traffic Rules. I'm going to read it again so you will get an idea and you can repeat after me for your revision. Traffic rules. When you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure, and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, so this was the poem. I'm going to send this picture along with this video, and you have to complete the homework. Okay, look at the word and enact the proper action. So what you have to just enact. Yellow means get ready, go means green means go, and red means stop. Then listen and write. You have to write these words one time only as it is. Then make as many smaller words as possible. Means from auto rickshaw. From this word, what we have to, what smaller word we can make? Auto, rickshaw. Okay, these types of smaller words we can make motorcycle, motor and cycle, and many words like toy and various words we can make. Okay, then last one, draw and stick pictures. This is not only these three questions. Okay, means we have to just read and then write these words and then make smaller words from these two words, auto rickshaw and motorcycle. So this is your homework. Do complete your homework. I am going to send this picture along with this video, so please do complete your homework. Thank you.